If you're involved in a bicycle accident, as far as the state of Michigan is concerned under the No Fault Act, you're treated pretty much as if you were a pedestrian. You're not driving a vehicle that needs to be licensed. You're not driving a mode of transportation that needs to be insured, just as if you were a pedestrian. So when you're involved in a bicycle accident, you have to look at a couple of things. First of all, bringing suit against the driver that hit you, presuming it is an automobile driver. And you can bring suit against the driver of the vehicle that struck your bicycle for pain, suffering, mental anguish, and lost wages beyond 3 years. When it comes to what we call your PIP benefits, or personal injury protection benefits, you will look to your own insurance company if you have an automobile. Your own insurance company will then pay your PIP benefits, which are your lost wages and your medical bills, unless you don't have an automobile or unless your automobile is not insured. Even if you own a car and you didn't have insurance because you were not involved in an accident with that car, you are still insured under the Michigan no-fault scheme. Now, under that scheme, then the striking vehicle then would have to pay for your medical bills and your lost wages under a PIP claim. So whenever you're involved in a bicycle accident, they tend to be very severe accidents because the car weighs thousands of pounds, and going at even 20 miles an hour can do lots and lots of damage to an unprotected bicyclist. So remember, get a hold of an attorney immediately so that the information can be preserved. The bicycle can be preserved because the angle of the accident sometimes can be determined by the contact to the bicycle. Police officers many times do not take photographs of bicycles or even cars, and when a car is involved with a bicycle, it doesn't leave a lot of damage on the car. And so exactly how the accident took place can be preserved by taking photographs of your bicycle. As I stated, police officers generally do not take photographs. They may make a report up, they may give a description of how the accident occurred, they might even talk to a witness, but they generally do not take photographs, which can be very important in connection with your case. It's also important to get a hold of an attorney so you can get your personal injury protection benefits going immediately, because many insurance companies will be confused as to who's going to pay, whether it's your insurance company or the striking vehicle's insurance company, in which case then no one pays. If you know insurance companies, they don't like paying. And so you need to contact an attorney to get that straightened out immediately so those medical bills can get paid, you can preserve the evidence of your accident, and you can get the most compensation that you're entitled to when you're involved in a bicycle automobile accident.